Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com, providing both positive and negative aspect of financial analysis demonstrate which ethical principle. Is it competency? What does it mean, competency? It means you know what you are doing. You could know what you are doing, but it doesn't mean you are providing both positive and negative information. It's good to be competent, but that does not guarantee you are providing both good and bad news. Is it materiality? Materiality deals whether the information is important enough to influence the decision maker. Here we're not telling you whether the positive or the negative influence the decision maker. We're telling you providing both. So materiality, I wouldn't say it's not the right answer here. How about integrity, B? Well, integrity is important. It focuses on avoiding conflict of interest, maintaining ethical conduct. But here what they're asking you is, are you providing both aspects of an issue? And integrity, I wouldn't say it's the best, but you have to have integrity, of course, to present both. How about A, neutrality? Neutral means what? Neutral means you don't care which side you are on. I'm going to present both sides. This is what neutrality is. I'm going to provide the positive, the negative, and let you decide. I am being neutral. Of course, if I am being neutral, it's going to enhance my integrity. It's going to show that I'm competent. And if I'm showing you both negative and positive, also it will help with materiality. But the technical term here is you are not favoring any information over the other. You are providing both positive and negative. It means you are being neutral. So the best answer is A. Remember, those ethical standards, some of them overlap, so you have to know which is which. And this is how they try to get you on the CMA exam. What should you do now? Especially if you're studying for the CMA exam, go to Farhat Lectures, look at additional resources, multiple choice, AI concept, exercises, essays to help you prepare for the CMA exam. The best investment you can make is invest in yourself, and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.